Okay guys, I've had several requests to talk about how to do the assembly. So I've got all my parts here. I brought into assembly file. To do that, I opened up the assembly file and so forth, used the place command, and then all my parts are listed over here. The only difference you might see is that these planes are on these wheels, and that's so later I could add drive constraints. I could take them off, take the visibility off, but it's not that big a deal. So let's start by placing the stack. My biggest constraint I'm going to use this time is I'm going to use the insert for most of the stuff I do. And in this case, I'm going to mate the bottom of this hole to the bottom of the end of the stack, just like so, and apply. And then I can do other stuff. I can go in here and I can do this guy. And I want the base, when I do the insert things like this, I want to go with the base to the top here. So you got to think of what's going to be touching. So this is going to be touching, this is going to be touching, that's how it works there. Okay, apply. Cancel for a second because I need to actually use two, because right now as it is, it spins around. So I'll go constrain, and I'm going to have to spin around like this so I can see what I'm looking at. Boom. Apply. Home view. Okay. Then I can come in here with my wheels, still using my insert, and do this guy right here, base to base. And these ones I want to do a little bit of an offset, so I'm going to go ahead and put in 0.01 as my offset, so that's so the wheels don't rub. And I'll go apply. I didn't do with these because I don't really care, they're not moving, but wheels are moving and so forth. So offset 0.01, should move it out a little bit, you might not see it, but it's there. 0.01. Apply. I could check later to see if I had those, wheels. If I put those offsets in, there it is, insert 5.01. That's my offset. And one more to do. .01. Okay, and now I'm going to come in here and do my pegs. Same deal. Base to the base of the hole. And a 0.01 offset again. Base to the base of the hole, 0.01 offset. Base to the base, 0.01, apply. And last one, base of the hole to base of the axle peg that I want to go in, 0.01. Boom. Doing beautiful. Okay, next let's put on these guys. Same thing, still using my inserts. There to the base of here, again, you can see what's touching. I don't need an offset on these ones. And I'm going to go apply. I'm going to close it so I can move it, so you can see what's going on. There we go. Strain. Base. Spin it around, look at it. Oh, let's escape. Let's try it again. Make sure I have the insert on. There we go. Base to base. Apply. Apply. And one more. There you go. Apply. Last couple little parts left to put in there. And they will go in here. And I do want to put that 0.01 offset on. There we go. 0.01. And then we need to come over here and put in this guy. So it's still an insert. put them on the back here. Cool. And then I do need apply. Looks like I'm missing one part here, so I'm going to place, and I'm going to look for hitch magnet, hitch peg. Haven't put that guy in. Boom. Strain. Insert. Last guy to do. And this is not a moving part, so I don't need to put the offset in. Apply. I'll close that. And there you go. I put my train together. All right. Enjoy.